Alright.
Start.
It is starting. Okay, now just
Yeah,
okay,
like that.
wait,
Do
okay,
that
spray
again.
it like right there. Let me see it. Let me see it. What's? Oh, let me see it. Okay.
Oh, what an idiot.
Oh, you're sick. You're demented.
Oh, you're so dumb.
She's sick.
You see it. Keep doing it. Keep coughing.
I am. Let me show you how to do that.
You gotta go around in circles. You're just gonna get dizzy. Oh my.
Here, let me show you how to do it. Okay.
I'm the one who discovered that, you know. Oh boy, you're so fast. So sick.
What an idiot. Oh man.
Oh, Bo. Oh my. Sad, sad dog.
Oh wait, I haven't showed him this yet. Okay, that's okay. You do it. You do it. Every time she gets close to it, just put it up farther. Put it up high, like just. Then she'll wait. Let me see if I can get her to do this. I can get her to do like a half backflip. It's funny. Okay, watch this. Let me see it. Okay. Okay. Wait for her to come back. There she comes. Okay, wait for her to realize that she can't get it over there. Bo! Bo!
Oh, it's thunder.
It's thunder.
It's thunder. She's barking at the thunder. What a sad.
She's still only like 8 months old though. Oh. Bo! Okay, I think that's long enough. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi, guys.